Thank you, Honourable Speaker. Mr. President, let me congratulate you your appointment as the co-chair. You see, my colleagues don't like to hear that, so they don't like to hear success. Honourable President, we are aware that 18 million healthcare workers, that is what the shortage will be by 2013. We have a high unemployment rate in South Africa. Do you plan to put a process in place to train as many healthcare workers for the purpose of exporting our qualified healthcare workers? And would you put a plan in place to ensure that from a school curriculum point of view, from about grade 10, we introduced healthcare so that we will be able to identify and attract those with a passion for healthcare and also ensure that we do not have a crisis by the year 2030? Thank you.
Honourable the President.
Thank you, Honourable Speaker. The education system is actually being transformed. That includes how do we influence the students in terms of choosing the areas they want to go to. That is being done at a level of basic education so that by the time they reach tertiary, they know exactly where they need to go. But that's a process that is going together with the transformation of education and also bringing about quality to education, but also to ensure that children are helped to make those kind of choices. So the plans are there, are in place, are being implemented, and I can't give the time frames that by this time we'll be able to do the final thing that we say we should be doing. But the plans are there. We have been saying in terms of education, we need, for an example, to emphasize on specific kind of education that is going to skill our youth so that they are able to work. That's why, for an example, we have created more colleges so that they don't just only go to universities, but they are also there to skill themselves in terms of the work that is needed by the economic activities. That's part of what we are doing. So the programs are there. We are intensifying them as we go. Thank you, Madam Speaker.